Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax salary return step by step. Gather Form 16, PAN, bank statements, and salary slips before you begin filing. Check tax deducted at source and reconcile with Form 26 as to spot discrepancies early. Choose accurate deductions and exemptions like Section 80C claims and HRA to reduce taxable income. Keep digital copies for records and audit readiness, and plan filing before the deadline. Start by totaling gross salary, allowances, and any other income to find taxable income. Subtract standard deduction and eligible deductions like 80C and HRA to lower the tax base. Calculate tax using applicable slabs and apply rebates or cess where relevant. Account for tax already deducted to find balance payable or refund due. Double-check all figures to avoid mistakes that could delay processing or refunds. If this walkthrough is useful, please subscribe and like to support more clear guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading tax guides and receipts on the go, with a glare-free display and long battery life making document review easier. Check the description to find the link and other deals if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use the income tax e-filing portal or authorized software to create your ITR. Enter personal details, income from salary, exemptions, and deductions in the correct schedules. Cross-check TDS and tax payments by validating with Form 26 as before submitting. Choose E-Verify via Aadhaar OTP, net banking, or bank account to complete filing instantly. Save the acknowledgement and keep copies of the submitted return for future reference and proof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.